This is the HT20BT amplifier from Dayton Audio, and a pair of MK402X speakers. And speakers are new. The amplifier is not. I ran this at the office for a while until the original tubes started to kind of fade out. The right channel started to buzz all the time, and it got louder and louder. So I went and bought a set of new old stock GE ECF 80s. Their date codes were matching, so I got a matching set. I also bought another set of tubes, but these popped right in here and work great. So the buzzing is gone. The system's on right now. I don't hear any buzz, which is great. And I'll go ahead and play a little music, some royalty-free music. No, this isn't the best music in the world, but let's give it a try here. There's a lo-fi, jazzy kind of thing.